guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal candle holders. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need a pack of crystal napkin rings. And they come in a pack of 4. These are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event decor, lighting, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita. All one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourselves 15% on your orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 packs of these Tealight holders. So they come in a set of 2, so you will need 2 packs. So you'll need a total of 4 Tealight holders. And then from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. You can find these peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And I am going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete these beautiful candle holders. So let's get started. Okay guys, now didn't these candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they are so easy to make. Super simple. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Okay you guys, well there you have it. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.